In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create and customize grids in Canva. We'll cover everything from adding a grid to your design to filling it with images and adjusting the spacing and borders. First, let's start a new project by clicking the Create a Design button in the upper right corner. From there, you'll choose what type of design you'd like to work with. Once you're in the editor, you'll find the Elements button on the left sidebar. Go ahead and click that to open up all the design elements available to you. Now we need to find grids specifically. You can either type grid into the search bar at the top, or browse through the element categories that appear below. You'll see a grid section with a few options displayed. Click See All next to that section to browse the complete collection of grid layouts. Choose whichever grid layout works best for your design. When you click on it, it'll instantly appear on your canvas, ready to use. The grid can be resized and repositioned however you need. Just grab the corners or edges and drag them to adjust the dimensions and placement. Let's add some images to fill your grid. Head over to the Uploads menu on the left side, where you can access your own photos. Here's where it gets fun. Simply drag images from your library and drop them directly into the grid cells. They'll automatically fit into each section. Want to adjust how much space appears between your images? Click the spacing option in the toolbar above and use the slider to fine-tune the gaps. You can also customize the borders around your grid cells. Select the grid and use the toolbar options at the top to change the color, thickness, corner rounding, and border style. When you're happy with how everything looks, click the Share button in the top right corner. From there, you can save your work, download it, or share it with others. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create beautiful grid layouts in Canva. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again anytime.